Good day, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So I just want to explain or to go through this system that I'm always talking about. It's a very strong system. So I just going to go like one step on how to make it or maybe to work it for you, as the system is very powerful. So here we can choose any pair, any currency pair, any whatever. So the best thing that we can do is when we buy the system, we want the system that is going to differentiate or to understand the trend. Let's say the system doesn't know whether this is an uptrend or it's a downtrend. So that is a problem, because sometimes the market will, the system will just confuse you, as it's just going to give you the signals to buy, to sell, to buy, to sell. And that is not really a good thing. We all know that. So we want something that when we plug it there, it's just going to show us the direction, whether the market is going up or whether the market is going down. So I plugged, let me just remove this. So I plugged Euro JPY, or I can just start with any of this. So at the moment, what I see is this thing is an uptrend. Do you see that? So this system is supposed to give us only the buy positions. On a downtrend like this, it's supposed to give us some only sell position. So will this system show us that? Let's see. Let's see when I say this system is powerful. So at the moment, it shows that there is something like a resistance there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use 1 hour. I'm just going to use regular. So this thing is only one system. It does this thing. So I just want to, I want it to show me where I was supposed to take those buy. You can see here, it shows me where I was supposed to buy, because it shows me the support areas. Why doesn't it show me the resistance? Why? Because the market was going up. That's why it just shows me the buy opportunities only. Let me continue with my order block. You can see it was just going to give me only these signals. You can see the signals here. These areas is where I was just supposed to do what? To go and buy and buy. So at the moment, we see there is this area here. It means if you bought, we're just going to relax around this area, because I can see there's two arrows. It shows us that we reached an area where we can just call a resistance. So let's check on the other one. We can check any. We can start from the top there. It's USD CHF. So let's see what we get. Let me remove those rectangles. Even here, I can see this thing is on an uptrend. So it shouldn't tell me about any order, because some systems, they will tell you to sell around these areas, to sell around this area. Whereas the market is doing what? Whereas the market is going up. So it's not supposed to do that. Let's see, it's supposed to do something like this. Look. Only buy positions, only buy positions. We were going to get this nice buy positions. Simple as that. So it's, I think trying to explain this is not going to be enough. We can see even now we see that we have some areas where it tells us to do what? To push to the upside, to buy. Why? Because this is a support area. Why doesn't it tell us to sell here? Because the system is so smart that it won't give you a sell position on an uptrend. It will do that only on a ranging market. It means you will also see that, oh, the market is just doing something like that. So that way is where it's going to show you. But on a trend, on a clear trend, so it's going to show you that. And this thing is going to help you. It's going to help those guys who doesn't know how to draw the trends line, doesn't know how to identify the trend, whether the trend is going up, where to buy or where to sell. Simple as that. These things is quite powerful, guys. We can just go we can choose any pair. Let's say what? Euro JPY maybe. Let's try Euro JPY. Let me remove these rectangles. Look. Just look. Why? Because the market, it was just telling us to do what? To buy. No sell opportunities around this area. It's only buys. Let me move to the next one. Maybe we'll get something which is difficult. I want something which is difficult, which can challenge this system. I don't see any. Look. Unfortunately, it's like we're getting something. All these signals, they were, because the market was pushing up. Let's get something maybe which is downtrending. I don't know if we can get something which is downtrending. It's still loading. This one is pushing up also. We need something which is downtrending. I don't know where. Maybe let's try this. Maybe. Oh, even this is also pushing up. You can see that I need something which is downtrending. The market is actually pushing up. Those pairs that we check here, it shows us that the market was just going up. If we don't see that, it's also fine. We can go maybe on US30. Oh, what's really happening? We can go on US30. We can go on maybe German 30 and see what we can get. Let's see what's really happening. Okay, it means around here, around this level, you can see even this one, it was on a nice uptrend, but we see that here the market reached a resistance. So I need something which is downtrending so that we can see what's really happening. Maybe I'll find something. If I don't find something, it's fine, because I can't force the market to downtrend. What's really happening? Okay, even this one, it's not. Even this one is not downtrending. It's fine. So let's just go straight maybe on US tech, which is NASDAQ. So on NASDAQ here, we can see that, oh, we had something like this. Let me just try to reduce this. We can see that actually the market was on a downtrend, but around this area, it seems like the market was like trying to consolidate. Look at this area. Look at this area. The market was moving straight up. I think it's where we can see maybe the market might try to give us some both sides buy and sell signals, right? So we see here, you can see here, but here the market was going down. Here we saw the market was trying to push the upside. Around this level, we also I saw a signal for actually a sell during the day before that. Let me see what's really happening. So the system is, I don't know how to explain this thing. It's quite strong, quite powerful. So it seems like with a 4-hour time frame around this area, we were just going to get this signal. It's a sell signal there. But what I love is it can't give you a sell on a trend. If it's an uptrend, it will only give you a buy trend. If it's a sell, it is only going to give you that. So now we are on US30. I'm trying to cover so many things so that you understand what's really happening. Look at this. Just look at this. Here we're going to get some buy signals. Even here we had some buy signals. Today here I saw a sell signal. Let me check. Oh, we can see that is on a 15 minutes. You can see that we had a trade around this area. You can see there's a sell trend here, sorry, a sell signal here. It's a buy signal. Why is that? Because it means that is a short. Actually, if we draw the trend here, we can see that the market is trying to do what? To reject. But maybe if the market is rejecting like that, the market might try to push up again. It's not really a resistance where maybe we'll see the market is just going down, straight down like that. It was just a retesting. This was a retest. Now we see the market creating something like this. Maybe it might continue going up like that. So I hope maybe you can understand what's really happening. Let's see. We can see now this is the German 30. You can see on German 30 also, we only got these bullish momentum signals because the market was now pushing up. Even here we got something. Simple as that. So it means you're not going to worry about so many arrows showing you different signals at the same time. It means it's only going to be, if it's bullish momentum, it's going to show you that. If it's bearish, is going to show you that. Simple as that. I hope you're going to enjoy the system. It's only $35. We left with very people to join. So I just did this for some people who wanted to buy the system because they said we just need to see how it works before we buy it. So we can see even here it's CHFJPY. Here there was a signal and I see the market push to lower. Why? Because the market reached an area where the market was resisting. So it means now the market might try to push to the lower side. Simple as that. So thank you guys. If maybe you want more information, let me know. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Bow.